Welcome, science friends, to Factors for Evolution. There are many different reasons as to how evolution happens. So lots of things play into this natural selection process that we see in nature. One of them is called the struggle for existence. Populations of organisms, in this case we see some little bunnies, they are limited by a few things. Mostly resources. Is there enough food for all of these organisms? Is there enough space? Is there enough water? Lots and lots of different things that organisms need to survive. They are limited. There's only so much food or only so much space or only so much water available for a population of organisms. This struggle for existence is when these organisms or these individuals compete with each other over those resources in order to survive. Some of the bunnies will get enough food and they will survive long enough to pass on their genes to the next generation. And some of these bunnies are not going to get all of the food, space, or water that they need. They'll die out and they will not be fit enough to pass on those genes. They won't be able to survive long enough to pass on their genes to the next generation. This brings us to fitness and adaptation. That struggle for existence also includes not getting eaten. You don't want to be prey for another larger predator. So the ability of an individual to survive in an environment is really important. We see this success happen with something called adaptations. These are inherited genes and characteristics that increase an organism's chance for survival.